Hi, I'm Robert, I'm the CTO of FLEXeCHARGE, and in the next 60 seconds I'm going to explain you how you can replace your fragmented load and energy management solutions with one single load energy management platform. Today you're most probably using fragmented load energy management solutions. Either you have the load management and the energy management in the charging station from a specific vendor, or you might be using it in a CPMS. That can be replaced with a FLEXeCHARGE platform. And I'm going to explain you how simple it is to replace your existing solutions with the FLEXeCHARGE platform. First, you change the OCPP URL in the charging station. Second, the charger connects to our platform. Third, the connection is further made to the CPMS. Fourth, you group all your chargers in our platform into a group. And fifth, you enable load management. That's it.